Hi there! You want to learn Chinese in an easy and funny way? This is the right place. I'm Julie, and you are on Good Study. By the end of this video, you will be able to speak more than 20 new Chinese words or expressions. Watch until the end. I created a quiz, so you can test your new knowledge. Let's go! Today, let's learn the first use of the particle 了。太好了，太好了。风景太美了，风景太美了。这里太舒服了，这里太舒服了。热死了，热死了。我们饿死了，我们饿死了。我今天累死了，我今天累死了。棒极了，棒极了。好吃极了，好吃极了。漂亮极了，漂亮极了。大卫可帅了，大卫可帅了。这只猫可乖了，这只猫可乖了。他做的饭可好吃了，他做的饭可好吃了。测验 A 太好了 B 热死了 C 好吃极了。A 可帅了 B 累死了 C 漂亮极了。Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, click like and don't forget to subscribe. 谢谢。